Hi guys, I'm out here on my cycle, realising how lucky I am to be out in the countryside on a bike on a lovely sunny day, and I thought I'd love to share it with everyone so that maybe people stuck in a city, no bike or any way of getting out to some lovely countryside could just join me on my bike ride. It's so nice out here. It's a shame to be on my own, so I'd love some company. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you a bit of my bike ride. This isn't going to be the most thrilling video in the world, but that's not what it's about. So, this is me and my bike. Just built this bike during isolation. Anyone that knows me well knows that I'm obsessed with building bikes and tinkering with my bikes. I've got sock tucked in, stop grease getting in. My socks, courtesy of my girlfriend Julia. She bought them for me for my birthday. I've got my helmet on, very important. Patterns on the back, even more important. I've got my isolation beard. I'm not God's gift to beard growing, but I didn't bring my shaver. So it's either this or clean shaven, so I'm going for this right now. I've got my dad's shirt on, which was ripped and Mum sewed up. I've got homemade energy bar flapjacks in my pocket from Mum. I've got, what else that can help on this ride? Got my shoes with holes in that Maud the puppy kindly chewed. Well, no, I'm being mean there. I started the holes off by doing trying to do an ollie on a skateboard, but she helped make the holes a little bit bigger, but it helps the air in on a hot day like this, so I'm not complaining. What else have I got? I've got my watch on. It goes a minute slow every day, which is good. I haven't asked him yet, but I'm gonna hopefully get my good mate Neil to try and tinkle away on his accordion or something to accompany this video. So if there's music, Neil said yes, which is very nice of him. Hope you're doing well, Neil. So yeah, just thought it would be nice to have people join me. I would have done this as a Facebook Live or something like that. Wow, look at that tree. That is lovely. DIY, mowing the lawn, it's all go in Suffolk. But yeah, I would have done a Facebook Live or something, but Suffolk's internet is pretty poor. So I chose to make a little video instead. I've got my little cycling computer. You can't see because of the sun. It's got a little map on it. It shows me the way. Got a little bag in there on my frame with everything you could ever want. Puncture repair kit and everything. Got a bag on a tool roll on the back of the saddle, which my mum kindly made for me. It's very groovy. So that's got other bits and bobs to help me fix my bike if I ever come across a problem. So yeah, it's all well and good over here in Suffolk. But yeah, I hope that you feel like you're on a ride with me. I'd love you to be here. Yeah. What a funny old time, eh? What a funny old time. I hope the footage isn't too shaky. There is some sort of image stabilization on the camera, but I don't know how good it is. Hello, crow. This isn't the most thrilling video I've ever made, but hopefully in the same vein as that slow TV that they do on like BBC4 and stuff, where you watch someone make a samurai sword, or you watch people like sledding through, I don't know where, just sledding. Hopefully this brings some sort of relaxation. Well, everyone's probably relaxed enough as it is, but anyway, maybe a nice insight into the countryside. Now, A, I'm going up a hill now, so I'm a bit tired out to speak, and B, I don't really have anything else to say of any relevance, so I'm just gonna leave you with some nice shots of my cycle, and hopefully you can imagine yourself with me. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Sorry if my voice is a bit jiggery, I seem to be going off-road. Okay, this is really off-road, I'm going to turn around I think.